is where we have like the laundry and everything. Pretty cool. It's a cute little living space. The TV's kind of confusing at work, but we might try and do movie night. We're still kind of moving in, but there's like the kitchen, all this stuff. It's kind of cool. Yeah, we have like right now we like have like designated shelving and stuff right now, and then we don't have anything in here yet, just like ice things. This is my cupboard, and then this is my room. Number B. I need to get my little thing, so you just gotta stand open, and then boom. This is my side. I'm a little bit messy right now, and then when you open here, it doesn't really have anything. It's just like random stuff. And then you have like little designated stuff over here. It's kind of cool. I'm getting more of those things, so I kind of just threw everything here for now. But yeah, and then when you walk in, it's nice because the side could walk like that, so it's cool. And then when you open this, you can also lock the door clicking that button. And then with this bathroom, when you turn on the light, there's a private like fan, and there's like cleaning supplies and everything. And the shower honestly isn't that bad. Like it's actually pretty big. Like this is all my stuff, so I'm only showing my stuff. But yeah, like I'm like. Okay, I'm like 5'5", I'm gonna say, and I'm fine with it. So yeah, okay. Just gonna close that right there, and then you open here, and here is my side. So I have like this side beside the window, which is honestly kind of bigger. And then you have this where you could put drawers, the bedding, and then underneath is kind of like you could store things under there. And then there's a lock, like cupboard. So I store my like computer and stuff in there. And then there's a little like movable thing, movable desk, which is pretty good because now I can like watch movies and animate on my bed, kind of thing. And so we put that stuff away. It's just extra things. And then you open here, and here's like the awesome closet. There's storage all the way back. Clothes, a lot of shoes. Like you could fit like 3 luggages in here. I tried it, and yeah, it fits. So you don't need to stress as much because my luggage is like an extra large, and I can fit it in here. I always have my carry-on down there, and like laundry hamper and like drinks and stuff. And then little mirror, fan on the ceiling, and yeah, there's a little light too, and little charging ports. And also under the bed you could plug in like things like that.